Welcome, fellow dog enthusiasts and curious minds, to a journey into the extraordinary world of canine olfaction. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that sounds almost like science fiction. How dogs use their incredible nose to see the future and your past. It might seem like a bold claim, but by the end of this video, you'll understand just how profoundly a dog's sense of smell connects them to dimensions of time and information we humans can barely comprehend. So settle in, hit the subscribe button, grab your favorite furry friend, and let's unlock the secrets hidden within a dog's incredible nose. We often say dogs smell the world, and while that's true, it's a monumental understatement. For a dog, scent isn't just an accessory to their senses, it is their primary lens through which they perceive reality. Imagine, for a moment, if your eyesight were as powerful as a dog's nose. You wouldn't just see shapes and colors. You'd see the history embedded in every object, the unseen forces at play, and perhaps even glimpses of what's to come. That's a taste of the dog's world. Part 1. The olfactory superpower beyond human comprehension. Let's start with the basics, or rather, the mind-boggling biological differences. Humans have around 5 to 6 million olfactory receptor cells. Impressive, right? Now, compare that to a dog, which can have anywhere from 200 million to 300 million, depending on the breed. That's like comparing a simple handheld camera to a state-of-the-art observatory telescope. But it's not just the number of receptors. A dog's brain dedicates a disproportionately enormous amount of its processing power to analyzing scents. Their olfactory bulb, the part of the brain that interprets smell, is proportionally 40 times larger than ours. For a dog, sniffing isn't just smelling. It's reading, it's interpreting, it's understanding. It's their dominant sense, overriding sight and hearing in many contexts. Think about it. When you walk into a room, you see it, you hear the ambient sounds. A dog walks in and doesn't just smell the air. It smells who was there, what they ate, where they've been, their emotional state, and even how long ago they left. Each sniff is a data download, a rich tapestry of information. And here's another marvel. Dogs can sniff in and out simultaneously, and each nostril can work independently, allowing them to pinpoint the direction of a scent with incredible accuracy. They create a sort of stereo smell, building a three-dimensional scent map of their environment. While one nostril is sampling the air for new information, the other might be exhaling, clearing the way for the next intake, maximizing their data collection with every breath. Part 2. Smelling the Past, a Scented History Book. How exactly do they do this? It all comes down to scent molecules. Every single thing in our world, living or inanimate, continuously sheds microscopic scent particles. When you walk through a room, you leave behind a trail of your unique scent profile, a complex cocktail of skin cells, sweat, hormones, and even the unique microbial ecosystem living on your skin. This trail persists long after you've left. For a human, this scent might dissipate or become undetectable within minutes. For a dog, that trail is like a neon sign, a clear pathway through time. They can follow scent trails that are hours, even days old, differentiating between individuals with uncanny precision. This is why search and rescue dogs are so effective, or why police dogs can track a suspect long after they've vanished from sight. But it goes deeper than just tracking a physical path. Dogs can smell emotional residues. When you're stressed, happy, fearful, or excited, your body releases different hormones and chemical compounds into your sweat and breath. These subtle chemical signals are utterly invisible and odorless to us, but for a dog, they are loud and clear. Imagine you had an argument in your kitchen yesterday. To you, the event is over. To your dog, who sniffs the lingering molecules of your stress hormones embedded in the fabric of your couch or the floorboards, they might still be reading the remnants of that past emotional state. They might even react to it, perhaps showing concern or unease, because they are effectively reliving a moment of your past through scent. They smell your health changes too. Dogs are being trained to detect early signs of cancer, diabetes, and even Parkinson's disease by sniffing out the subtle chemical changes in a person's breath or urine, changes that precede any visible symptoms. They are, in essence, smelling a future health event based on present, but undetectable to us. Part 3. Smelling the future, predictive olfaction. This is where it gets truly fascinating, and for us humans, a little mind-bending. How can a dog's nose possibly see the future? It's not about mystical powers or crystal balls. It's about their ability to detect incredibly subtle changes in their environment, changes that precede an event. Think about weather. Before a storm, there are shifts in atmospheric pressure, humidity, and ozone levels. These changes come with their own unique scent profiles. While we might feel a chill or see darkening clouds, a dog can smell the approaching storm long before the first raindrop falls or the first thunder rumbles. They are detecting the precursors, the tiny molecular signals that foretell a significant environmental shift. The most incredible examples come from seizure alert dogs. For some individuals with epilepsy, dogs can predict an impending seizure minutes, sometimes even hours before it happens. How? Scientists believe these dogs are detecting a very subtle change in the person's body odor, a unique chemical scent released by the individual right before a seizure begins. This isn't magic. It's an exquisite sensitivity to a biological signal we are completely oblivious to. The same principle applies to emotional states. Dogs often seem to know when you're about to leave the house, even if you haven't given any overt cues. Did you put on a specific perfume? Did your body chemistry subtly shift with a surge of adrenaline as you mentally prepare to depart? Did you handle your keys, leaving a fresh layer of your leaving scent on them? To a dog, these are all loud signals that predict your imminent departure. They're not reading your mind. They're reading your subtle scent signature of preparation. They can also smell illness or distress in other animals, predicting potential conflicts or health crises before any visual or auditory signs are apparent. A dog might shy away from another animal that appears outwardly healthy, but whose scent profile indicates underlying sickness or aggression. Part 4. The scent of time, olfactory memory, and association. Beyond detecting immediate changes, a dog's olfactory memory is profoundly linked to their experience of time. For us, memories are often tied to visual cues or narratives. For a dog, memories are deeply rooted in scent. The smell of a specific park can instantly transport them back to past walks, encounters, and emotions. The scent of an old blanket isn't just a smell. It's a doorway to puppyhood, to comfort, to a specific time and place. When a dog encounters a scent, it's not just identifying it. It's accessing an entire library of associated memories, experiences, and potential outcomes. This rich internal world, built primarily on scent, allows them to navigate their reality with a depth of understanding that surpasses our own. Their ability to smell the future is essentially an advanced form of pattern recognition based on an overwhelming amount of scent data. They detect the subtle precursors, the tiny molecular whispers that precede significant events, because they have learned to associate those specific scent profiles with subsequent outcomes. They predict because they have an unparalleled ability to read the minute details of the present, details that we simply cannot access. Their nose is more than just an organ. It's a sophisticated sensory instrument, a time machine, and a profound window into a reality far richer and more nuanced than we typically imagine. Understanding this incredible capability not only deepens our appreciation for our canine companions, but also offers us a humbling glimpse into the vast, unseen universe of scent that surrounds us all. The next time your dog gives you that knowing look, perhaps after a deep sniff, remember, they might just be telling you a story, one that spans time and reveals truths hidden beyond our human senses. They are truly incredible beings, guiding us, protecting us, and in their own silent way, showing us a world far more magical than we ever thought possible.